Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a 4-star Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, October the 5th, 2022. We have 3 puzzles left. The first one I have already solved, the 3-star Sudoku. We have a 4-star Sudoku left, the tectonic with 4 stars left, and the binary. But let me start with the 4 stars Sudoku. The 4 stars Sudoku, this will be number, I believe, a number 5280. Yes, 5280. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for 4 stars a puzzle, if it's really a 4 stars, then I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. So is this really a 4 stars? I do not know. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. All right, we have here 1, 2 twos. We have here 3 threes. 2 4s, 3 5s, 1 6, 2 7s, 2 8, 3 8s, and 2 3 9s. All right. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 1? So the ones is in majority. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, no, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1, 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1. Let me see. The 8 in this column, last column, 8 in a column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. How about the 7 in this row? The 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this second column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. No. Not 2 and the 7. The 2 already have here. So the 7 should be there. 5 should be there. Okay. Need to wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and 8. We have a 3 and 8 in this column. So no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the first row. No 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. Oh, wait. 2 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6, 6. Okay. All right. 8 and a 3, 3, 3. 9, 9. I'm thinking. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here can be also 3. We have a 3 in the first row. So one digit left in this column for the number 3. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row. So the row will be 3, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be here. 3 in the third row, 3 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. The 1 in this row, the 1 in that row, so the row will be 3 in the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Still cannot continue with the 1. Okay, then 6 and the 2, yeah. Well, we have 4 missing numbers in the middle row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this column, this big square. So no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. Let me mark those because we have a pair here also. 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6, okay. It's not, well, I've told you, marking the boxes, I rather marking the boxes in the big square rather outside the big square. But in this case, we can continue with this row because the missing numbers in this row, the middle row, are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have a 5 and 8 in the first column, so no 5 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So what are the other? Oh, we have an 8 in this second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the second row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 box left in this second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, let me mark those. 4 and the 5 cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 missing numbers in this column, first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second column. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. 6 and 7. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then. How about those 2 missing numbers in this column? Here we have the 2 and the 6. Okay, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4, 8 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Then. Let me think. 7, 9, and a 2. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 279. 279, 279, 279. And look, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 2 and the 7 are left. 2 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 276, 276, 276, 222. Okay, they're gonna be 2, 2, 2. All right. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, here 9 in the row below, so no 9 there, the only place left for the 9 in the middle column should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 9. Alright, 2 missing numbers now in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 7 and 6. Well, we have a 6 now in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 6, 6, 2, 2. Well, in the last column, one of the missing number is a 2 in the last column. Well, here can it be 2 because we have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here can it be 2 because we have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, here or there, here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. Here a 2 in the row below, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in the last column should be there. Alright. Okay, then 267, 267, 267. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 7. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, I believe the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 now in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. The 2 and the 6. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yeah, we have all the 2s, and all the 2s are used. I can see this is number 4, number 2. About the 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 6. Alright. 2 missing numbers now in the last column. The 4 and the 5, I believe. 4 and the 5 are missing. Well, we have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 1 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there, 8 should be here, the 1 goes there. Fine, no 2 numbers in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Cannot believe this. 50 minutes. Faster than the previous Sudoku, although the previous Sudoku has 1 digit more. 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later for the other 2 puzzles, the binary puzzle and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.